Did you know that tea is the most widely consumed beverage in the world next to water? It's great hot, iced, and even in baking and cooking. When choosing a tea company, make sure it doesn't have any yucky stuff you don't want in your tea, like irradiated ingredients, MSG, artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. So what tea should I choose? Black tea is caffeinated. It can be steeped once. It has a bold and earthy flavor. May be great for digestion, heart health, energy, and immunity. Green tea is also caffeinated. It can be steeped up to 3 times and has a clean and earthy flavor profile. May aid in memory, dental health, cancer prevention, and metabolism. White tea also has caffeine, can be steeped up to 3 times, has a delicate and sweet flavor profile, may improve cholesterol, reproductive health, weight loss, and brain health. Pu'erh is caffeinated, can be steeped up to 3 times, has a bold and earthy flavor, may decrease blood pressure and stress, and aid in weight loss and digestion. Oolong is caffeinated, can be steeped up to 3 times, has a floral and sweet flavor profile, may improve diabetes, inflammation, weight loss, and brain health. Rooibos is caffeine-free, can be steeped up to 2 times, has a nutty, full-bodied flavor, may improve diabetes, inflammation, heart health, blood pressure, and digestion. Herbal teas can be steeped once and assist in a variety of ailments. Fruit tea has a fruit flavor. It can be steeped once. It's caffeine-free. Like all teas, it's a great form of antioxidants and may improve digestion and immunity. Don't forget to time your teas, because if you oversteep them, they may become bitter. Now, what tea are you going to choose?